Hi everybody. Today I would like to teach you about participles part 4. Let us learn about participles part 4 in this session very clearly. Participles part 4. Here some examples have been written on the board. Let us take all these examples in order to combine them into one by using participles. Suppose if you take this example, they were learning music. Full stop. I saw them. In this example, we can find two events. In this example, we can find two events such as they were learning music. Past continuous tense. I saw them. Simple past tense. Now, let us join these two events by using participle. They were learning music. This event is a longer background. This event indicates longer background. Longer background. I saw them indicates shorter background. While joining longer background with shorter background, we should use participle. Okay, how to use a participle here? Let us learn obviously. They were learning music. Longer background. I saw them. Shorter background. Here, while combining longer background and shorter background, we should use shorter background as the first part of the sentence. We should use shorter background as the first part of the sentence. Then how to join these two events into one? I saw them learning music. I saw them learning music. Learning is the present participle such as V4, fourth form of the verb. I saw them learning music. This is the answer for the given question. Here learning is present participle. Here we join these two events by using present participle such as V1 plus ing, learning. Present participle and gerund. Already I have told you regarding the difference between present participle and gerund. I like singing. Singing is noun or gerund in that particular event. He is singing. In that sentence, singing is present participle. I like singing. Singing is gerund. Such as noun. Which noun? Verbal noun. Here singing is verbal noun. In such a way we should know the difference between gerund and present participle. Here learning is present participle while joining these two events into one. For good and all, shorter background should be written first. Later longer action should be followed by using shorter background in front of longer background. Then how to write? By combining these two into one. I saw them learning music. Clear? In such a way, let us take all these examples. We can simply understand. I saw him beating her. I saw him beating her. This is the single sentence. This is simple sentence and single. Okay. Now let us take this particular event. I saw him, he was beating her. I saw him is one statement and another statement is he was beating her. He was beating her, longer background. I saw him, shorter background. Shorter background should be written first. Then I saw him, he was beating her. Let us combine these two into one. I saw him beating her. Here beating is present participle. The police arrested the thief running with a bag of gold. G-O-L-D, gold, not gold, correct pronunciation. Here The police arrested the thief running with a bag. Running with a bag. The police arrested the thief. Full stop. He was running with a bag. Here we can find two events. Let us join these two events. Okay. Shorter background should be written first. Longer background should be joined with shorter background. The police arrested the thief running with a bag. The police arrested the thief running with a bag of gold. of, not of. Of. According to correct pronunciation of the word. Of. Gold. Gold. Gold is not correct. Gold. Gold is correct pronunciation. Now let us take one more example. He caught a horse grazing in the field. Not horse. Horse is the correct pronunciation. He caught a horse grazing in the field. He caught a horse. Full stop. It was grazing in the field. Let us join these two by using present participle such as V4. V1 plus ing form. He caught a horse grazing in the field. He caught a horse. Full stop. It was grazing in the field. He caught a horse grazing in the field. Here grazing is present participle. He killed a snake. It was moving on the rock. He killed a snake, not snake, snake. He killed a snake. It was moving on the rock. Now, let us join these two events into one. He killed a snake moving on the rock. In such a way, we can write or say number of examples by using present participle in order to join two events such as shorter background and longer background events. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.